Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. I want to show you guys something on the chart about Dogecoin. It's still range bound. I'm actually going to pull up the last video post and give you guys what I'm seeing in the Dogecoin market. Not really much, but I mean, there's a lot of opportunities here. We just have to identify the levels, and that's what we're going to attempt to do in this video. So let's get into it, guys. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Welcome to new subscribers. Let's dive to the charts, shall we? So today's November the 28th, 2021, and the current price of Dogecoin is going to be 20 cents, slightly negative 0.9% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys doing well. Here's the chart. All right. So yeah, on our last video post, it's kind of the same thing, right? The 34 cents all the way down to like 20 cents, the 0.204 cents. We have 0.48 cents at the top there, but that was only under the assumption that we'd actually get like a 12-hour or daily candle to close above that level, and then it actually pushes higher. So right now, Dogecoin is just kind of teetering near that lower portion, 0.204, and as you can see, we didn't just kind of put that line on the chart. It's been there for some time. It's very close, kind of dangerously close. But naturally, what happens is the buyers step in here, and then they push the cryptocurrency all the way up to the blue line. Now, the reason that I haven't bought any, well, we did buy Dogecoin. Congrats for anyone who participated in that move. We actually entered near the 17 cent level, and then we exited the market at like 30 cents. Okay. So pardon me, long-term investors, with all due respect, I mean, we were just kind of following through with our strategy. We're waiting for a buy signal. Right now, we don't have a buy signal for Dogecoin. We'll let you guys know immediately the next time we enter. But so far, we don't have anything. But assuming that it's going to stay within this range, it will still be a short video, guys. Assuming that it's going to stay within this range of between 20 cents all the way up to 34 cents. The way that I would do this is just kind of take a risk to reward. So since it's near the 20 cent level right now, and it has a potential, not guaranteed, okay, guys, 64% to the upside. So naturally what I would do is like I would take a risk to reward. And of course, you'd have to assess your risk tolerance accordingly. If you like, let's just say it actually goes up to 34 cents, and it's like a 65% move to the upside. I wouldn't risk anything below like 17 cents. But guys, cryptos are like super volatile. This is not a video insinuating it's time to buy here. I'm waiting for a signal. You may do as you wish, but I just kind of give you, the risk to reward ratio. I mean, in cryptos, I try to keep it at least a 4-to-1 ratio. And if you were to, play some sort of setup like this, it would be a 4.44 risk to reward ratio, assuming that you had a stop loss near the 17 cent level and you entered exactly right here at 20 cents, and you would actually be patient enough to wait until the market goes up to 34 cents. If it actually goes up to 34 cents over the course of the next, I'd say the next 2 to 3 months, we may have to give it a little bit more time. Now, remember, if it actually gets below 20 cents and it starts to get down to like 17 cents, then we have to call it off. Okay, it just simply means that there's not enough buyers here to support the market, and it's likely it will continue lower. I'm noticing lower highs in the charts. Unfortunately, for the buyers, we got a high, or just a lower high here at August 18th at about 34 cents. Another lower high. If you can see it there on the screen, right? It's just making lower highs, unfortunately. So we're looking for higher highs, guys. We need higher highs and higher lows. Excuse me. So far, the 17 cents there is a higher low. Well, it's kind of a double bottom situation here. And then we got a higher low here at about 19 cents right here. And so far, it's trying to maintain support here at about 20 cents. So let's see if Dogecoin pull it off, guys. You have all the details. 17 cents is a stop out. 20 cents enter. Ride it up to 34 cents, assuming that it's still within the range. And that's all the information I have, guys. I realize we haven't been making Dogecoin videos, but I really don't know what else to say. It's just range bound. So naturally, I would be the guy just kind of playing the range, right? Entering at 20, getting out at 34, just kind of playing the range. So that's all I have. But sometimes the range is like when the market actually notices it's within a range and people start to catch on, it starts to break out of the range, and then it kind of, goes and continues the trend or does something really crazy and it wicks you out and it just kind of explodes to the upside. So the moral of the story is have a plan, have a strategy. If you don't want to enter and exit Dogecoin, just simply have a dollar cost average method. that's fine if you're long-term investing. And for the swing players, there's a range. And that's all the information I have for Doge. So if you came out because you thought I was going to tell you, oh, buy here, sell here, Dogecoin is going in a specific direction. Nope, that's not what this is for, guys. Just pure education, borderline, right? And entertainment purposes only. So we'll cut it out. Thank you for your time, guys. If you don't mind supporting the channel, that's the end of the video. Before you go, by leaving an appropriate thumb and a comment, I would really appreciate it. And also, if you guys are into traditional stocks, we cover that 7 days a week. So kindly join us here on this interesting journey. We'll send that out to you guys momentarily. All right, again, I truly want to just thank you all again for having a strategy always before you enter the market. Thank you for that. Keep that positive energy flowing, of course. We'll talk soon, and bye for now.